Back to our top story about the overturning of Roe v. Wade. Emotions are strong no matter which side of the debate you're on.
That's on display right now in downtown Rockford. This is a live look in front of the federal courthouse. Both pro-life and pro-choice supporters are making their voices heard. Nikel Delgado spoke with people on both sides of the issue about what this means moving forward.
It's a joyous occasion and we should celebrate, but at the same time we shouldn't forget that there's a lot of work to be done, especially here in Illinois.
Director of Communications with the Rockford Family Initiative, Daniel Preble, says while overturning Roe v. Wade is a win for families, their work isn't done.
This will cause more people to come to Illinois from neighboring states for abortions.
Abortion rights is a very polarizing topic. Local attorney Sarah Davey calls this a sad, dark day, telling me this decision will hurt the next generation.
The Supreme Court has handed this decision back to the states and state representatives to determine whether women have a fundamental right to their own lives.
Her biggest concerns is more women will die from being forced to give birth, adding there are many reasons why a woman chooses to terminate a pregnancy, and it's her decision, no one else's.
I don't think the government has any business forcing any person to risk their life for another. It's always by consent.
Preble tells me his goal is to not only change laws, but change the hearts of those in difficult situations, showing them there are other options for their child.
It might be difficult at the time, but you'll be so thankful. There are so many women that we know that, they chose to abort their child and they're scarred for life. Encourage everyone to continue to stand up for what's right and fight for the right to life.
That was Nikel Delgado reporting.